Hi friends, do you know October 31st is a special day in the Indian history. On this day, in the year 1875, 31st October, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in Gujarat, India. He was well known to all the Indians as well as foreigners as the Iron Man of India. His participation in the freedom movement is a very vital role. He played very active role in the freedom movement. He is such a great patriot that he sacrificed everything for the sake of Mother India. He studied in Gujarat. He became barrister, a very famous barrister in Ahmedabad. Do you know Gujarat is a land which gave birth to many great persons. When India got independence on 15th August 1947, Jawaharlal became the Prime Minister of India and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the Home Minister as well as the Deputy Prime Minister of India. Because of his intellectual brain, he served for the welfare of the independent India. He is very active and his services can't be forgotten. Such a great person, such a strong person with iron will. So, today we are all celebrating his birth anniversary. He died on December 15th in 1950. So at the age of 75, he departed. Though he demised and departed from the earthly world, he will be remembered by every Indian till the sun and the moon exists in the sky. ఆ చంద్ర తారార్కము అతన్ని మనము ప్రతి భారతీయుడు జ్ఞప్తి అందు ఉంచుకుంటాడు. సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్ ఈజ్ ఇమ్మార్టల్. దో హీ వాజ్ మార్టల్ ఫిజికలీ, spiritually he was immortal. He dwells in the hearts of every Indian because of his great services that he rendered in the freedom movement and even after the freedom movement. Such a great person he is. So let us pray that he will be remembered forever for his iron will, strong determination, and his good works for the development, for the improvement of independent India. Thank you one and all.